So we are solving the assignment 1 trigonometry ratio. So for sum number 1, if we see that it has been given sin 70 minus sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10. Actually sin C minus sin D, better let us take as sin 50 minus sin 70, sin C minus sin D. So we can write this as 2 cos C plus D by 2, which is between 50 plus 70 by 2. This is cos 60 into sin 10 plus sin 10. Therefore, we are getting sin 10, cos 60 means half, that we know. And so it is 1 minus 2 cos 60. That is coming to be cos 60 is half. This 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So option is second option. Option is B. For the number 2, question number 2, we are saying that cos square 48 minus sin square 12. And it's very important formula. Cos square A minus sin square B is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Just let us apply. So in this case, A equal to, okay, I am writing number 2. I am writing here cos square A minus sin square B. This is coming, it is very important formula. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Consider A as 48 and B as 12. So we are getting here cos A plus B, 48 plus 12 minus 60 into cos A minus B, cos 36. Just one value, cos 36. This value we have to keep in mind. Remember, we'll do in multiple angle. So cos 36 equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Keep in mind. There are some valid values which you have to keep in mind. Otherwise, we may not get the requirement result. Okay. So this is half into root 5 plus 1 by 4. That is coming root 5 plus 1 by 8. So B is the option. 3. In case of 3, just let us see A minus B equal to pi by 4 given. So let us take tan A minus B. Take tan on the both side. Tan A minus B equal to tan pi by 4. So we can write this as tan A plus, sorry, in this case it will be minus tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B equal to 1. So if we cross multiply, you are getting tan A minus tan B minus tan A tan B equal to coming. If we rearrange and take in one side, we are getting it is coming 1. So add 1. So similarly balanced by 1. Therefore, we are getting here just if we simplify, just factorization. If we go to the factorization first and third and second and fourth, we are getting 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan B equal to 2. Okay. According to the question here, y, this is y. Therefore, y equal to 2. Hence, y plus 1 whole to the power y plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 1 equal to 3 cube. That is 27 is coming. Sum is over. Therefore, 3 option is C. Option is C. Next. Let us go to the 4. 4 is very basic sum sin 75 degree. Let us reduce. Otherwise, 45 plus 30 also we can write. So otherwise, sin 90 minus theta. Everyone, as you think better, you can write this. So we can write cos 15. Cos 15, that is cos 45 minus 30. Otherwise, in case of sin also, we could write sin 45 plus 30. It would have been the same result. So root 3 plus cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So if we put this value, we are getting the result. Next, let us go to the sum number 5. Tan alpha given, tan beta given. We have to find alpha plus beta. So sum number 5. So tan, we know tan alpha plus beta equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Therefore, just put the value m by m plus 1 by 1 by 2m plus 1, and you have to be calculative also, m by m plus 1, and this all sums which has been given, these are for the school examination level. So if we do the LCM, 2m square plus m plus 1 total divided by 2m square plus m plus 2m plus 1 minus, simple LCM I have done. Just if we calculate, and they are getting cancelled, 2m square plus 2m plus 1 total divided by 2m square plus 2m plus 1. This is coming 10. Therefore, we can say it is coming 1. Therefore, tan alpha plus beta equal to 1 minus tan 45 degree. So, alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. So, just here, the option of the 5 is second option. Now, I am coming sum number 6. In case of sum number 6, so if two angles root 3, it is 60. So we know that 40 plus 20 equal to 60, and we can directly solve the sum. We can write this as, we know that 40 plus 20 equal to 60, taking tan on the both side, tan 40 plus tan 20 by 1 minus tan 40 tan 20 equal to tan 61 root 3. Cross multiply, rearrange, and you'll get the result. Just cross multiply, therefore tan 20 plus tan 40. If I just cross multiply and take in one side, we are getting root 3 into 1 minus tan 40 into tan 20. Just cross multiply and put, we are getting the result. Take everything in one side. So we are getting tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3. So according to the requirement, we have to rearrange. Tan 40 equal to root 3. So option is B, second option. 7. Sum number 7, 1/4. And in this case, root 3 cos 23. Cos 23. 23 minus sin 23. So if we get better, cos b sin b formula. So if I just introduce half cos 23 minus half sin 23. Okay, we are getting half cos 30 plus 23 equal to half cos 53 degree. Okay, everyone. So this is coming D. Next, question number 9. And if we see the question number 9, so this is also similar type of sum. So let us proceed. Tan A equal to minus half, tan B equal to minus 1/3. Therefore, at a time I am doing tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B, minus half minus 1/3. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, minus half into minus 1/3. Okay, this is coming to, if you calculate, it's coming to minus 1. Therefore, we are getting here tan A plus B equal to tan theta minus 1. Theta is 135 degree. It is very important. Remember this. So we are getting A plus B equal to 3 pi by 4. So for 9, it is a second option B. So I'm going to the 10. A plus B equal to 225 degrees. So we have to get the value. So if we apply just, if we just see the requirement of us, so we are saying cot A by 1 plus cot A into cot B by 1 plus cot B. We are getting, if we just take it down and make it tan, we are getting 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. If we divide, if we make cot as a tan, we are getting this thing. So this can be written as 1 by tan A plus, if we multiply, tan B plus 1 plus tan A into tan B. Since tan A plus B equal to tan 225 degree, so it can be written as it can be written since, I am writing this, since tan A plus B equal to tan 225 degree, it means 1. Tan 225 degree, third quadrant tan is positive. So we can proceed as, therefore we can write this here, tan A plus tan B equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan B equal to 1, cross multiply like previous sum. So we are getting this thing, and this is coming to be, half. So if I just, instead of tan A plus tan B, if I write the value 1 minus tan A into tan B plus 1 plus tan A into tan B, we are getting half. Next. So answer is coming, last option D. Next sum number 11. Sum number 11, sin A given, sin B given, then cos A plus B. So this is easy. Sin A given and sin B given. So if I just write the A and this is B. This is A, this is B, just we can get the value. Sin A 4 by 5, this is 3. B is minus 12, minus plus is due to the quadrant only. And B is minus 12 by 13. So 12, I am writing just a value, but value cos B is minus 12 by 13. Now, cos A plus B equal to cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. This is coming the root over of 1 minus 16 by 25 into minus 12 by 13 minus 4 by 5 into root over of 1 minus 144 by 169. Okay, right? So we are getting here, if we calculate, we are getting minus 16 by 65. So option is last option D. Now I am going to the 12. For question number 12, same type of sums, so that you can practice. That is why it has been given. So A plus B equal to pi by 4. So if I take tan on the both sides, same thing, same as this previous question. So if I put this value, we are getting 1 plus same thing, multiply, take tan on the both side, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. Question number 13. So in this case, 12B. If I go to the question number 13, we are seeing just simply LCM karo. So cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree total divided by cos 10 into sin 10. So if I just multiply numerator denominator 2, similarly if we just multiply by just see one thing, in this case A cos theta plus B sin theta root over a square plus B square and divide by 2. Once again divide by 2. 2 again another 2 divide by 2, half cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10. And denominator 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, it is a formula of the multiple angle. So sin 20. We are getting here just 4 sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So if I put the value here, sin 30 cos 10 minus cos 30 sin 10, sin A minus B ka formula, sin 30 minus 10. Total divided by sin 20. So 30 minus 10 to 20, sin 20 by sin 20, answer is coming 4. So what is the 4 here? It has been given last option. Next. Next question, cos A plus B equal to alpha cos A cos B plus beta cos B, and find the alpha and beta. So what can be done? Cos A plus B, so cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So Directly we can say everybody alpha equal to 1. Just compare cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to -1. So option number C. Question number 15. Question number 15 telling that sin square A minus sin square B means so sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Otherwise, yes, that also we can write and multiply denominator. If we just multiply by 2, so it means just I am writing sin square A minus sin square B sin A plus B into sin A minus B. I am multiplying 2 new in the numerator denominator. That is why 2 has been written. So denominator also just multiply by 2. If I multiply by 2, 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin B cos B. 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin B cos B. So we can write this as 2 sin A plus B into sin A minus B total divided by sin 2A minus sin 2 theta formula sin 2B. So we can write sin A minus sin B to cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 and one portion that okay, I am writing in detail sin A plus B sin A minus B denominator 2 cos C plus D by 2 and 2 cos A plus B into sin A minus B. If sin A minus B is getting cancelled, we are getting tan A plus B. So 15 is the P. Second, 16. Let us go to the 16. In this 16, tan 2 alpha. So we can write this as here cos alpha plus beta sin alpha minus beta is given. So cos alpha plus beta equal to 4 by 5. So we can write, there is one way to solve the sum in easy method. That is, we can write, so tan alpha plus beta, actually cos theta is 4 by 5. So tan theta is 3 by 4. Okay, we can get by right angle triangle also. So this is 4, this is 5, this is 3. Similarly, it has been given sin alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 13. So if it is 513, so just a minute. So this is 5, 13, 12. So if we get sine, so we can write tan alpha minus beta equal to, we are getting 5 by 12. A simple apply equal to tan 2 alpha equal to tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. So if we just put the value tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Just put the value. I am not calculating. You calculate, everyone. Just put the value. This will be coming 56 by 33. So option will be B. You check and put the value. Next sum, 17. Cos theta given, theta lies in the first quadrant, then the value of cos 30 plus theta, cos 45 minus theta, cos 120 plus theta, we have to get. So in this case also same thing, just draw the right angle triangle. If we draw the right angle triangle, we are getting here, if we just draw one right angle triangle, suppose it's a colorful right angle triangle. Okay, so we are getting like this. It's a very colorful right angle triangle, and it is right angle 90 degree. So we are getting here 8, 17. So it is 15. That we know. So cos theta equal to 8 by 17. So sin theta equal to 15 by 17. Now just value. If we just put the value, we'll get the result. Cos 30 plus theta. So the expression equal to cos 30 plus theta, cos A plus B. So cos 30 cos theta minus sin 30 sine theta. Similarly, next formula cos A minus B ka formula. So cos 45 cos theta plus sine 45 sine theta. Okay. Similarly, we are getting cos 120 cos theta plus sine 120 sine theta. Just put the value and we are getting answer should be just put the value. Just I am telling you the answer. You must verify the answer. Just answer should be option A. You must verify. Must verify answer is option A. Option A. Okay. Just put the value. All the values. Cos 120 is minus of we know. Sine 120 root 3 by 2. Next, we are going to the question number 18. So for question number 18, it has been given one type of similar sum. Then also let us proceed. So tan x expression, tan x plus tan pi by 3 plus x plus tan 2 pi by 3 plus x. Simple, we have to put the value. We are getting here tan x, tan A plus B formula, tan x, tan A plus tan B, root 3 pi by 3, tan pi by 3 root 3, 1 minus root 3 tan x. Similarly, tan 2 pi by 3 minus root 3. So 1 plus root 3 into tan x. Next, let us proceed. So if I just calculate, if I just do the LCM, keeping aside of the tan x, and we are getting 1 minus 3 tan square x, and if we cross multiply and calculate, we are getting 8 tan x. Just simple cross multiply and see some terms will be cancelled, and we are getting 8 tan x. So if we calculate, if we just again multiply LCM, 3 into 3 tan x minus tan cube x total divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. It is a formula of tan 3x. So 3 tan 3x. Therefore, we are getting the result. In this case, what is coming? Option should be coming 18A C. 18C. Next. Let us go to the next. 19. This is equal to 3. It means so if you take just one step it is needed, otherwise you will be confused. Just one step is needed here. So in this case, it was given left hand side is 3. 3 equal to 3 tan x, tan 3x. Therefore, tan 3x equal to 3. Sorry, tan 3x equal to 1. Now next 19 sum. Sum number 19. We can write as sine 47, sine 61, sine 11, sine 25. So we can apply here sine 47 plus sine 61 minus, if we just accumulate sine 11 plus sine 25, sine c plus sine d formula. It is in the form of sine c plus sine d formula. Here also sine c plus sine d formula. So 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 sine 47 plus 61 by 2, that is sine 54. And sine c minus d by 2, bigger is better c, 61 minus 47 by 2. So this is cos 7. Similarly, here also if we just proceed. So 2 sine c plus d by 2, sine c plus sine d formula, c is better, bigger, 25. So 2 sine 18 degree into cos 7 degree. So if I just take 2 cos 7 degree, we are getting here sine 54 degree minus sine 18 degree. Okay. So again, sine c minus sine d. Sine c minus sine d's formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. It means 2 cos c plus 54 plus 18 by 2, 36 into sine c minus d by 2. 54 minus 18 by 2, obviously 18. Now Remember once again, cos 36 degree equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. And these are very, very important formulas and always needed. And sine 18 degrees root 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, we can write this as 4 cos 7 degree into root 5 plus 1 by 4 into root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is coming a square plus b square, a plus b minus b is coming 1. 1/4 is coming. So this is coming cos 7. This is a plus b into a minus b square minus b square formula. Okay, and it is coming to be 20. Sum number 20. Achha. For 19, what is the final answer? This is D. For 20, for sum number 20. For sum number 20, sine theta plus alpha given, theta minus given, and we have to get this value. Remember, this type of sums are very important for the school examination purpose. So I am solving. I am solving this one. Given sine theta plus alpha equal to A and sine theta plus beta equal to B. Suppose this is number 1, this is number 2. Now, cos theta plus alpha, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. And cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sine square theta. And therefore, theta plus alpha equal to cos inverse root over 1 minus s square. Inverse circular function is not in class 11. Then also I am telling you, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. So 30 degree equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2. This is the angle calculated. Inverse means angle. It is nothing but. And alpha minus beta can be written as theta plus alpha minus theta plus beta. Therefore, we can write this as that's equal to cos inverse root over of 1 minus a square minus cos inverse 1 minus b square. So this sum is for that students, those who have covered all these things, so not needed now. Those who don't want to do, so not needed because cos inverse a minus cos inverse b's formula is associated here. Therefore, we can write this as, therefore, alpha minus beta, we can write this as cos inverse. It's a formula of cos inverse of A minus cos inverse B. So for the time being, do not solve this sum, and those who are interested student, for them, I am solving this sum. Because for new 11, it is not there. So cos alpha minus beta equal to root over of 1 minus a square into root over of 1 minus b square plus ab. Therefore, we can write now our requirement is cos 2 into alpha minus beta minus 4ab into cos alpha minus beta. So if I write this as cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1 multiple angle ka formula. So 2 cos square alpha minus beta minus 1 minus 4ab cos alpha minus beta. So just put the value. It is a calculation, and this type of calculated sums will be coming in school examination. So this particular sum is related to the inverse formula, so not needed. 4ab into root over of 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square plus ab minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Actually, minus 1 I've taken to the right hand side. This is coming to simple a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula. Just I am putting in short, you can calculate of your own. I am doing of my own to solve the sum fast. Plus a square b square plus 2ab root over of 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square and minus 4ab into it is given here root of. Whenever this type of sums will be there, there must be the chance that the some bigger term should be cancelled, and you have to remember like this. So here it is 1 minus root over of 1 minus a square to 1 minus a square plus ab. So just these two terms will be cancelled, plus minus root over condition will be cancelled. I'm not going to the cancellation portion. So this is coming 2 1 minus b square minus a square plus a square b square plus 2 a square b square minus 4 a square b square minus 1. This is coming 2 1 minus a square minus b square. Once again, a square b square portion will be cancelled. Minus 1. This is coming 1 minus 2a square minus 2b square. So what is the option here? What is coming to be option? Option is here coming B, second option. It's the second option. This is the assignment 1. Solution is fully complete. So now I'll start solving assignment 2. Let us solve assignment 2. First of all, question number 1. So given the if cos x plus cos y plus cos alpha equal to 0, sin x plus sin y plus sin alpha equal to 0, so part of x plus y by 2. It is a transformation problem. So I am taking cos x plus cos y equal to minus cos alpha and sin x plus sin y equal to minus sin alpha. Using the transformation, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 equal to minus cos alpha. Suppose number 1. And sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. One is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 equal to minus sin alpha. Number 2. So just divide now by 2 by 1. When dividing 1 by 2, we are getting dividing 1 by 2. When not 2 by 1, it's coming 1 by 2. So just I have to write some part. So dividing 1 by 2. We are getting here, just simple if we divide, what we are seeing, cos x minus y by 2 is getting cancelled. And we are getting cos, just directly 1 by 2, cos portion, cos x minus 2 y by 2 is a common, it's getting cancelled. And we're getting cot. Therefore, cot x plus y by 2 in the right hand side, if we divide, we are getting the cot of. So option number C. One option number C. Number 2. Sum number 2. Sum number 2, this is also of the similar kind of sum. So sin theta plus sin 2 theta plus sin 3 theta equal to sin alpha. Okay. If I just take first and third part, if I take, we are getting sin. Okay, let us rearrange sin theta plus sin. Always bigger is C and smaller is D. If we apply, it will be easier for us to solve the sum. Sin alpha. So this is coming 2 sin C plus D by 2 and 3 theta plus theta by 2 minus sin 2 theta into cos C minus D by 2 cos 3 theta minus theta by 2 cos theta. And this is coming sin 2 theta equal to sin alpha. So if I take sin 2 theta common, because we have taken this so that we are getting the one term should be common. That is why it has been taken. So 2 cos theta plus 1 equal to sin alpha. Okay, number 1. And for second, now we can write for the second part also similar, that cos 3 theta, let us rearrange and write, plus cos theta exactly similar type plus cos 2 theta equal to cos alpha. Therefore, cos C plus cos D, here it is getting just, I am writing here cos C plus cos D portion here. So I am getting 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. It's formula number 3. 2 cos 2 theta. And if you are not comfortable, you see the formula list, mark up the formula and then start solving the sum again. So cos alpha. So this is coming cos 2 theta into 2 cos theta plus 1 equal to cos alpha number 2. Now let us do one thing from 1 and 2. Just if we divide, we are getting sine 2 theta by cos 2 theta. So tan 2 theta and bracket portion to common, it will be getting cancelled, equal to tan alpha. So we are getting 2 theta equal to alpha, theta equal to 2, because 2 match with the option and answer. So second portion, this is coming A. Next, I am going to the number 3, sum number 3. Sum number 3 to easy. Sum number 3, it is cos 10 plus sin 10 by cos 10 minus sin 10. So cos 10 plus sin 10 by cos 10 minus sin 10. To have the tan formula, let us divide by the cos 10. So the tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, because left hand denominator corner we have to get 1. So cos 10, say divide by cos 10. So this is cos 10, this is cos 10. Okay, so this is coming 1 plus tan 10 by 1 minus tan 10. So tan A plus A mane 45 degree, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B formula. So tan A plus B. So tan 45 plus 10. Tan 45 plus 10. That is tan 55 it is coming. So this is A. Now, next sum. Sum number 4. For sum number 4, what we are seeing here, cos P, cos Q, P and Q are acute angles, find the value of P minus Q. So cos P is 1 by 7. So cos Q 13 by 14. So let us directly apply cos P minus Q. So cos A cos B sin A sin B, just cos P cos Q plus sin P sin Q. Just let us proceed. So if it is cos P, then sin P is root over 1 minus cos square P. So directly I am putting the value. And sin P is root over 1 minus, that is root over 48 by 7. Just check it, 27 by 14. If you calculate, we are getting 13 plus 36 by 98. We are getting it is half. That is coming cos 60. So according to this question, this is coming B. So let's go to the sum number 5. For sum number 5, sec 50 plus tan 50. So we can write this as tan 50 means tan 70 minus 20. So tan 70 minus 20 means tan 50. This can be written as tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus tan 70 into tan 20. So if I just cross multiply both sides, we are getting tan 50 plus tan 70 into tan 20 into, actually this is equal to tan 50. This is equal to tan 50 actually. Tan cross multiply 20 tan 50 equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Just simple rearrange. Therefore, we can write this as tan 50 plus tan 50. The reason is that tan 70 equal to tan 90 minus 20. That is tan 90 minus theta cot theta. That is tan 70 equal to cot 20. Just putting this value, we are getting here just one part. This portion will be cancelled. Tan 20 it means cot 70. So this will be cancelled. Okay. So after cancellation, just this will be coming tan 50. This is coming tan 70. This is coming to be tan 70 minus tan 20. So just this is coming to tan 50 plus tan 20 equal to tan 70. Therefore, we can write this as 2 tan 50 plus tan 20 equal to tan 50 plus sec 50. Just wait. Sec 50. Next, everybody. So what is option sum number 5? Option is C. Now let us go to the sum number 6. For sum number 6, x equal to cos 10, cos 20, cos 40. So x equal to cos 10, cos 20, cos 40. So if I multiply by 2 sin 10. So, okay, achha, I am writing in another place, another part, another line. So cos 10, cos 20, cos 40. Okay, just I am multiplying 2 sin 10. Actually, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, this form. So directly we are getting 2 sin 10 cos 10. Just if we put the value here, 2 sin 10 cos 10 sin 20. So this is coming sin 20. So just let us multiply another 2. If we multiply another 2, so 2 sin 20 cos 20 sin 40. So this can be done in one line also. So 2 sin 20 cos 20 sin 40. So sin 40 is here. And it was cos 40. Now, just in the denominator, it is 4 sin 10. Again, I am multiplying by 2. 2 sin 40 cos 40, that is sin 80. So this is coming sin 80 by 8 sin 10. Sin 80 minus sin 90 minus 10. That is, in this case, it is coming to be just 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So here we are getting sin 80 is coming. Sin 80 means this is coming sin 90 minus 10, that is cos 10. So here it is coming 1 by 8 cos 10 by sin 10 cot 10. So option number is what here? Here option number is B. Here the option is B. Next is sin 12, sin 24, sin 48, sin 84. In this case, just if we pairwise, if we write, so we are getting in this way. So sin 12, sin 24, sin 48, sin 84. So in this step only, if I just pairwise, okay, I am changing here. I am just pairwise, I am writing. So in this case, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2, that form, cos c minus cos d formula. So 2 sin 12 into sin 48, so that we'll get one comfortable known value. Accordingly, just I am rearranging 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. So sin 84 degrees. So see here in the first case, c plus d by 2 equal to 48 and d minus c by 2 equal to 12. And it means sin cos c minus cos d formula, cos 36 minus cos 60. It will be 60. And this is coming cos 60 minus cos 108. So this is coming to be 1/4. It was 1/4 outside. It is 1/4. It has been 1/4. So 1/4 cos 36. Cos 36 minus, if I put the value, cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus half into cos half plus root 5 minus 1 by 4. Just if you calculate and if you multiply, you are getting 1 by 16. So 7 is the A. Next, let us go to the 8. Sum number 8. For sum number 8. No, what was the result here? Sum number 7. Yes. Next up. Actually, the result is that the value which we know, which you have done in class, that cos 20, and this is very famous, cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 60 into cos 80, that transformation formulas, this has been done in the class. So this is also 1 by 16. So the option is given to be, option is our requirement, that is it. So Since we know this value is very important. Next, sum number 8. Since this the sum of the two angles equal to the third angle, so we can say tan 3a equal to tan 2a plus a. That is coming to be tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan b, tan a plus tan 2a by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a. This is coming, if we cross multiply, we are getting just cross multiply and rearrange. We are getting directly, I am getting tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. And you can cross multiply and rearrange according to the requirement. Tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a. So option number A. Sum number 9. Let us go to the sum number 9. This is cos square a minus sin square b. That is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So directly we can proceed. Directly we can put. So cos square a minus sin square b. Here a equal to pi by 4 minus beta and b equal to alpha minus pi by 4. So this is cos a plus a b into cos a minus b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Therefore, we are seeing here, this is coming cos pi by 4 minus beta plus alpha minus pi by 4 into cos pi by 4 minus beta minus alpha plus pi by 4. So if we calculate, we are getting cos alpha minus beta into cos 90 minus theta. It means pi by 2 minus alpha plus beta. So cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So this is coming cos alpha minus beta into sin alpha plus beta. So option is last option. It's the last option. Next, we are getting the next sum. Tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus tan 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. So let us rearrange like this, equal to tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus, this is coming 1 minute. So this is coming cot 27 degree plus cot 90, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 9 degree plus cot 9 degree minus tan 27 degree plus cot 27 degree. So this can be done. This type of sums are very important for the school examination. So tan theta sin theta by cos theta. So if I calculate directly, I'm just, okay, I'm writing in detail. Sin 9 degree by cos 9 degree plus cos 9 degree by sin 9 degree minus, similarly, tan sin 27 by cos 27 plus cos 27 by sin 27 degree. So sin a cos b, if I just do the multiplication, LCM, so cos 9 degree into sin 9. I'm not doing so much. Sin, in this case, we are getting here cos, in this case, we are getting sin square 9 plus cos square 9. Okay, so this is coming 1, and here just here we are getting 1. Means if I multiply 2 in the numerator denominator, similarly same thing. So 2 by 2 cos 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So this is cos 27 degree sin 27 degree. So 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So this is coming 2 by sin 18 minus 2 by sin 54 degree. Therefore, we are getting 2 LCM. If we do the LCM, so we are getting sin 54 degree minus sin 18 degree total divided by sin 54 degree into sin 18 degree. So in this case, we are getting again sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this is coming cos 54 plus 18 by 2 minus 36 into sin c minus d by 2, 54 minus 18 by 2. Total divided by denominator sin 18 degree, sin 54 degree. And it is 2 outside. So all are getting cancelled. Answer is coming 4. So 10 answer option is coming to be C. So let us go to the next one. Sum number 11. So in this way also we have to arrange pairwise so that we are getting some common factor. So 3, 9, 5, 7. So directly I am solving this sum. So sin 9 theta, let us rearrange directly. Sin 3 theta. So that sin 9, 3, 5, 7. Both are addition is coming 12. And we are getting the common factor. In this way, you have to proceed. You have to select in such a way so that we are getting such way common factor. Sin 5 theta, sin 7 theta. Similarly for denominator cos theta. Cos 9 theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 7 theta plus cos 5 theta. So sin c plus sin d, if we apply here, directly you are getting 2 sin c plus d by 2, 9 plus 3 by 2, 6 theta. 2 sin 6 theta into cos 3 theta plus 2 sin 6 theta into cos theta. I am doing very fast. So everybody, you must see that there can be some problem in writing and writing. So just manage one. So this is coming to cos c plus cos 3, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos 6 theta into cos 3 theta plus 2 cos 6 theta into cos theta. If we calculate, if we take the 2 sin 6 theta cancel common, we are getting cos 3 theta plus cos theta. And if we take 2 cos 6 theta common, cos 3 theta plus cos theta equal to tan 6 theta. So option is what? C. Now I am going to the next sum, 12. For 12 sum, for sum number 12, just this is the calculation. Sin 160 degree, cos 370. So let us reduce. So just I am writing directly here. Sin 63 degree. So this can be written as sin 180 minus 17. Similarly, cos 360 minus 13 plus cos sin 73 cos 90 minus 17. Cos 90 minus 17 degree into sin 180 minus 13. Coming, just wait, this is coming sine. This is coming sine. So finally, we are getting here that sine 17 cos 13 plus cos 17 into 1 minute. Cos 17 into sine 13 equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, sine a plus b, that is going to be half. So the answer of the 12 is here B, second option. Now I am going to the 13, sum number 13. For sum number 13, this is coming, it's a simple sum. So you just calculate of your own. So sine 600, okay, sine 600 is minus sine 60, cos 330 is cos 30. So in this way, just simple calculation, minus sine 30 cos 60. That is, we are getting here minus sine a plus b formula. So sine 30 plus 60, that is equal to -1. So 13 is A. Now I am going to the 14, sum number 14. Just it's a very simple calculation. So just simply cos A. So cos 240 plus A plus cos 240 minus A. Cos, okay, I am writing the sum. 240 plus A plus cos 240 minus A. Cos C plus cos D formula. This is the formula of cos C plus cos D. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. If we apply here, we are getting cos A is outside. If we apply here, we are getting 2 cos C plus D by 2. That is cos 240 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos A. Okay. So we are getting here cos 240 means cos third quadrant 60. It means minus half into cos A. Answer is to be 0. So 14 answer is the second option. Now I am going to the 15. 15 say again similar type, cos square A minus sin square B. That is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos square A minus sin square B, here A equal to pi by 6 plus theta and B equal to pi by 6 minus theta. So we can write this as cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Directly I am putting A means this. So answer is expression equal to cos A plus B. Just put the value cos A minus B. We are getting here cos 2 pi by 6 into cos 2 theta. Let's read cos 2 theta. So this is coming half cos 2 theta. So 15 option is A. 16. For sum number 16 here, we are seeing that it seems that it has been done. The component of dividend has been done here. It seems here. So just apply A by B. 16 is A by B. Let us separate sine alpha by sine alpha plus 2 beta. So let us apply component of dividend to A plus B by A minus B. So we can write sine alpha plus sine alpha plus 2 beta by sine alpha minus sine alpha plus 2 beta. So after using sin C plus sin D numerator and sin C minus sin D denominator. So sin C plus sin D 2 sin C plus D by 2 minus sine alpha plus beta into sine into cos C minus D by 2 cos beta, and denominator is coming minus similarly sin C minus sin D to sin C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2. So cos C plus D by 2 is cos alpha plus beta, and this is coming sin beta. And on cancellation, we are getting minus tan alpha plus beta into cot beta. Therefore, this can be written as minus cot beta, tan, just take it down, cot alpha plus beta over. So 16 option is coming to be C. Now I am going to the 17. 17. So this is coming sin B plus A cos B minus A. So if I change cos to sin, so we'll get the sin C plus sin D formula. Okay. So just let us put the expression. I'm not writing the full sum. Expression equal to sin B plus A, and cos B minus A can be written as sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus B minus A. Similarly, if we divide like this, sin B minus A plus sin cos means sin 90 minus theta. So this will be not cos, this is coming sin. This is also coming sin 90 minus A plus B. Okay. So if I apply sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, directly I am using this A plus 45 degree into cos 45 degree minus B. Total divided by 2 sin 45 degree minus A into cos 45 degree minus B. So we are getting here cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A. Just if one portion is getting cancelled, one portion is just okay. I'm going to the cancellation for this, so it will be easier for you to understand. Just open the sin a plus b and in the numerator and denominator sin a minus b. So we are getting this result. Achha. So what is the option? Option is B. 17b. Now I am going to the 18. 18. For 18, similarly, that a plus b, a minus b. So let us apply complement to dividend. So a plus b by a minus b equal to sin x plus y by sin x minus y. Just let us apply component to dividend. A plus b plus a minus b, a plus b minus a minus b equal to 2 sin x cos y total divided by 2 cos x sin y. That is why we can write 2a by 2b. It means a by b, that is tan x by tan y. So option number is coming 18 to be B. Now we are, let us go to the 19. Sum number 19. Sum number 19. So just seeing the sum of 19, let us proceed like this. Simple, I am not writing so much. So squaring and adding. Let us square and add. If we apply squaring and adding, we are getting x square plus y square equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos 2a minus a. Because 2a be term, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b cos a minus b formula. And sin square theta plus cos square theta is coming to be 1. Therefore, we can write here, just wait, I am giving therefore sign, so that because we are writing something different. So if I just write therefore x square plus y square minus 2 by 2, we are getting cos a. So also we can write cos a plus 2 cos square a minus 1 equal to y. Just wait. This is y. Because cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, this term I am using. Or cos a plus 1 into 2 cos a minus 1 equal to y. Okay. So just put for cos a from, if I write this as the number 1, if I write, just a minute, if I write this as the number 1, so we can write this, put cos a from 1. You must get the result. I am not doing in detail. You must match with the answer. Answer is coming to A. And it is coming the last sum number 20. Let us complete that sum number 20. So we are getting 2 cos x minus cos 3x minus cos 5x. So 2 cos x minus cos 3x minus cos 5x. This can be written as 2 cos x, and this is coming cos c plus cos d formula. Cos 5x plus cos 3x, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So we are getting 2 cos x minus 2 cos x, 5 plus 3 by 2 mane cos 4x into 5 minus 3 by 2 mane cos x. So I am taking 2 cos x into 1 minus cos 4x. This can be written as 2 cos x into 1 minus cos 4x. It means 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta. So 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sin square 2x. That is coming 4 cos x into sin square 2x equal to 16. Again, sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Therefore, sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. That is sin square 2x is 4 sin square x cos square x. Just do the whole square of the sin 2x. So now cross multiply, we are getting the just rearrange and multiply, we are getting the cos cube x. So it is option number A. And so everyone, it is over. The solution part is over.